okay, I saved some money. I fixed my credit. Now what? I'm ready to go. I want to buy a house. Can I buy one tomorrow? What do I do? Slow your roll. We're here to help. Hey, welcome back to the ToddCast, the Mortgage ToddCast, where we talk about all things mortgages. Hey, in the past, I know you've already probably watched our first video in this series. You know, this series is great. This takes you step by step on what the mortgage process looks like when you're buying a new home. So you've done the things in the first video, I'm sure. You've worked on your credit and you've saved some money and you've picked a great lender. So now what? What do I do next? So you've picked that lender. You need to make sure that lender has you completely pre-qualified. That means filling out a loan application for them, having them check your credit, providing them all the documentations like W-2s or tax returns or bank statements, anything they ask for. Make sure you do all of that because it's super, super important that you get pre-qualified completely before you go out and start looking at houses. Because the last thing anybody wants is for you to go out and find a house and fall in love with it, only to find out later when you supply your lender with all those documents that you don't qualify for that home. That's a real bummer. Don't let that happen to you and your family. Make sure you pick a lender and get completely pre-qualified with them. That is the first step in a home buying process. When you're ready to go, the first thing you do is get pre-qualified by that lender. If you have questions about that or need help with that, call us at Crosspoint Home Loans. We would love to talk to you about that, but there's a lender in your area that's going to have your best interest at heart, and make sure you connect with them and make sure you get completely pre-qualified before you start looking at homes. Until next time, happy home hunting, get pre-qualified.